In today's video, I will walk you through how to copy a Discord server link. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer and navigate to the server you want to share. If you're a member of multiple servers, make sure you've selected the correct one from the server list on the left. Once you're inside the server, look at the top left corner above the channel list. Click the server name to open the server menu. From the drop-down menu, select Invite People. This will open the invite window where you can create and manage an invite link. If you don't see the Invite People option, you may not have permission to invite new members. In that case, you'll need to ask a server administrator or moderator for assistance. In the invite window, you'll see an invite link. Click the Copy button next to the link. Discord will automatically copy the invite link to your clipboard. You can now share the link anywhere you want. Paste it into a Discord message, direct message, email, or social media post. On Windows, press Ctrl-V to paste the link. On Mac, use Command-V. You can also use the standard paste option on your phone or tablet. When someone opens the invite link, they'll be taken to the server's Join page and can choose to join, depending on the server's settings and requirements. Keep in mind that invite links can have expiration or usage limits, depending on how they're configured. If an invite link stops working, you can create or copy a new one using the same process. Also, private or community servers may have additional verification requirements before new members can access or participate in the server. That's it. Open your Discord server, click the server name, select Invite People, click Copy, and then paste the invite link wherever you want to share it. And that's how to copy a Discord server link. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.